the chapel and we're gonna get married.
Hey guys, I am at Studio I Do at All the Rage, getting an inside look at the lovely bridal gowns before the Coastal Virginia Magazine 13th annual Winter Bridal Showcase happening January 10th. How many people are expected to turn out this year?
Well, over the last few years, we've had at least around 400 plus brides coming to these events, but we have way more coming this year. So there's going to be a lot more room for more brides to come, but it's going to be a great event.
Now, are we going to see some of the trends for 2016 on the runway at this showcase?
Yes, absolutely. We're going to see quite a few dresses we're really excited about. Some brand new dresses that haven't even hit our showroom yet will be at the show. All 2016 trends. And you'll even have an opportunity to possibly purchase your gown at the show. That is giving the brides of Coastal Virginia Magazine that come to the event an opportunity to say yes to their dream dress at a dream price, because we'll have some really great specials going on for show.
Now, speaking of gowns, you have some lovely gowns out here for us. Can you describe them for me?
Absolutely. Well, some of these dresses are just some of our favorites here at the store, but this one here is from one of our best brands, Allure Bridals, and it is a fit and flare mermaid silhouette with a tulle skirt, and we love it because it has fun, intricate beadwork, which just wows your guest if you pick it as a bride. So we really love this dress. This next one here is a beautiful trend for 2016 with the illusion neckline. The front detail is just amazing. It's also got a beautiful detailed back with illusion all the way down and buttons. A more classic silhouette with still just a little bit of sex appeal, which what bride doesn't want?
And why should people come out January 10th to the Coastal Virginia Magazine 13th annual Winter Bridal Showcase?
The most important thing to come out to this event is the fact that you're going to get your wedding planned in a very short amount of time. So you're going to see the area's food vendors, florists, cakes, gowns, and many more, all under one roof. Everyone there is going to be there to help you, the bride, get the wedding of your dreams.